Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting the essentials out of the way. Sign into the Google account you want to use and open Google Photos on your phone or web. Once done, grant permissions for storage and camera so uploads can run. Next, enable backup and sync and pick upload size. Original keeps full quality, storage saver saves space. Choose based on how much Google storage you have. Now, navigate to Library or the Upload button to start adding photos immediately, and make sure Wi-Fi is active to save mobile data. You now handle the middle work. Select the images you want and choose Upload or Add to Album. On mobile, you select then tap Multiple Photos. On web, drag files or click Upload. This gives you control over batches. Once uploaded, create albums and add photos to them, naming albums for easy search. Also, check device folders to auto-backup specific folders like screenshots or WhatsApp images. Toggling those folders prevents clutter. Finally, verify face grouping and location settings to keep photos organized automatically as your library grows. You finish by confirming uploads completed and tidying the library. Review the status indicator, move photos into final albums, and delete any duplicates. Then share albums or individual photos with links or add collaborators with edit permissions. Make sure sharing settings match your intent. Finally, free up device space with free up space if needed. If something goes wrong, sync stuck or missing photos, toggle backup and sync off and on, clear the app cache, update Google Photos, or sign out and back in to force a fresh sync. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.